Welcome back. Well, let's focus on our segment Midcap Spotlight. Nigel is here with us. He's focusing on a particular stock, TVS Holdings. He's decoding why it's lower in today's trading session. Nigel, tell us more. What's the reason for the downside?
Well, TVS Holdings is the erstwhile Sundaram Clayton. And if you compare this morning's open price with yesterday's close price, you'll be wondering why is the stock nearly 1,000 rupees lower? Well, the reason is the stock is trading ex its die casting manufacturing business, which is named Sundaram Clayton DCD. Also, if we rewind a little bit, we can recall that in March, the company traded ex its redeemable preference shares and gave 116 non-convertible redeemable preference shares of 10 rupees each. Now, 116 multiplied by 10, that comes to around 1,160 rupees per share. That was for every one share you held of Sundaram Clayton. How do you value the entity now? As I already told you, the die casting business has gone ex-date. You also have the other business, which is, the preference shares. That has already come into the account, but it's not yet traded. So how do you value now the remaining company that's being traded? Well, it's trading at a 70% discount in comparison to the value of its holding in TVS Motors. It has more than 50% stake in TVS Motors. So effectively, if you bought one stock nearly around a year or so ago, you would have bought it for roughly around 4,600 rupees per share. And today you have a share worth nearly around 5,000 rupees. But you also have the preference shares, which amount to around 1,160 rupees. And in addition, you will also get one share of the die casting business, which effectively has adjusted for around 1,000 rupees. So in the past 1 year, you would think, well, I made 8 to 10%. But actually, you have made a whopping 50% because you bought the share for around 4,600 rupees odd exactly 1 year back. And now you're sitting on the listed entity and the other two entities as well. So actually, effectively in the last 1 year, the stock is up a good 50%. Back to you.
Okay, very interesting there. Thank you for highlighting that. So that's about TVS Holdings. Another stock